Hi, I bring you 4 randomly selected words and their names in FANTE, plus a sentence with each of the words. You ready? Let's go. Randomly selected word number 1, stars. Nraba. Nraba. A sentence. The stars look very beautiful. Nraba no ayefio papa. Nraba no ayefio papa. Randomly selected word number 2, baptism. Fancy, we call it enuma. Enuma. Now a sentence. Ebo got baptized just last week. Fancy sentence for this. Wenuma ebo da pena besin kuyara. Wenuma ebo da pena besin kuyara. The next randomly selected word is conscience. How do Fantes call this word? It's a compounded word in Fancy. Tsibwa. Where tsi came from tsi, as in your head, and boa came from aboa, that is animal. You get it? You don't get it? So tsir aboa, the animal in your head or the creature in your head that guides you, okay, to do right or wrong. You get it? Now the sentence, a clear conscience. Fancy, sibua numudaho. Come again. Sibua numudaho. The next word is infant. Thought of its name in Fancy? Akokwaba. Akokwaba. Now a sentence with infants. You ready? Tim was very ill as an infant. How do you say this in Fancy? Tim ye akokwaba no na oyerpa. Come again. Tim ye akokwaba no na oyerpa. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel. We help you speak Fanti. In fact, one of the popular languages speaking Ghana. And Ghana is a country in the West Africa. Here I am. See you. Bye-bye.